In this video, I'll be showing you how you can hide a chat or archive a chat on ChatGPT app. It's very simple and easy. So if you want to hide a chat from your history, you just need to archive it and you're good to go. So now let me show you guys how to do that. So what you need to do is you just tap on your history like this. So your hamburger menu, top left corner of your screen, tap on that here and you just long press any of the chat them and you can see archive and you just tap on the archive and you're good to go. So it's out from the history, so when someone hops on your ChatGPT, they're not going to see that. Now all we need to do is we tap on the hamburger menu again and then we move to our profile. Let's tap on that here and then all we need to do is we move to our data controls and you can see archive chat here, archive chat rather, and you're going to see the thesaurus on Word, good to go. So that's it on how you hide chats from your history on ChatGPT. And also if you don't want to go through all the stress, I have a video on that. You just tap on the top right corner of your screen, you can see a chat there, tap on that thing there. And now your chats wouldn't be saved in your history, so you can voice chat and do everything. After that is deleted, it wouldn't be saved to your history on ChatGPT, and neither would it be used to train models on ChatGPT. So fully secure for now. So that's it on how you can hide your chats from your history on ChatGPT. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.